back in 2009, we saw Audi put up that billboard in Santa Monica that said, "Your move, BMW," and then BMW fired back with "checkmate" right across the street. That's when we knew these car companies were always ready to roast each other for fun. Since then, they've been throwing jabs at each other in ads and social media and pretty much everywhere they can get their last word. And now it's all happening again. Not in LA, not in Germany, but in Bangladesh. And once again, Audi started it, but this time they dragged Mercedes into it first. Hey everyone, welcome back to Dotty in Devon. Let's talk about this recent drama. It all began when Mercedes showed off their G-Wagon doing a perfect 360-degree spin, something they proudly called the G-turn. It's a feature only available on the electric EQG, by the way. 4 motors, 1 for each wheel, which means, yes, this beast can literally spin in place. It is a flex, no doubt. But Audi saw an opening. They reimagined that spin and tried to make Mercedes' move look like it was drawing Audi's 4 rings. As expected, Mercedes did not stay quiet. They clapped back in classic Merc style by featuring 2 cars this time and wrote the caption, "Cheers Audi, we made the rings you wish you could." They basically implied that Audi could never make their 4-ring logo themselves, so they used Mercedes' ad. Well, they're right. Audi doesn't have a feature like the G-turn. Their Q-Series SUVs are sporty, sure, but they're not doing 360s on command. The EQG's 4-motor setup is next level, and Mercedes knows it. If that jab wasn't enough, Mercedes went ahead and hit where it hurts by writing, "We are happy to provide the most engagement ever on an Audi post. Next time, add 2 Mercs. It might get you even more." So they implied not only can they do the spin to make Audi's 4-ring logo, but they could even do their branding better than them. And they're right in a way. In 2024 alone, Mercedes moved around 2.4 million cars globally, and Audi was behind at 1.7 million, which means not only Mercedes is producing better cars, but they're also doing the branding right, which is helping them sell more. Anyways, when Audi didn't know how to respond to that, and maybe felt a little cornered, they decided to shift the energy. They turned around and pulled BMW in the fight by posting a Q8 sitting next to a BMW 7 Series and suggesting meeting for coffee while others catch up. Now, before I show you how BMW responded to it, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more updates from the automobile world. Now, back to the social media battle. BMW did respond to Audi, and of course they played it cool, which is very on brand for them. They didn't bother with cars doing tricks or logos on the pavement. They simply posted a picture of someone relaxing in the back seat, watching a car match on the screen. They basically said, "Let the kids fight. We're just here enjoying the view in 8K clarity." And yes, the BMW 7 Series does come with a 31-inch 8K theatre screen in the back. So when they say sit back and enjoy the show, that's an actual feature. Then came the twist no one saw coming. BYD entered the fight. Out of nowhere, the Chinese EV giant jumped in with their own post and wrote, "While others keep spinning in circles, we're busy driving the future." Well, BYD did have a point. They are one of the top EV makers globally, and they even overtook Tesla in sales in late 2023. Right now, they are leading the EV race. While a lot of followers were picking sides and laughing at the comebacks, some people saw right through it. They knew this was just marketing and a clever collab between the biggest names in the automotive industry. Nothing, just 2 auto giants helping each other. We got collaboration of Audi and Mercedes before GTA VI. This roast is good to go into marketing textbooks. Roasting, marketing, MH Riyadh just acknowledged to keep things exciting. Because let's be real, everyone got something out of this. Massive engagement, brand visibility, and people debating in comments, which increased their reach. Anyways, whether it was planned or not, we all did have fun. Now, the real question is, out of all 4, which one would you actually want to drive? Tell me in the comments, because I'm genuinely curious. And don't go too far, because in the next video, I'm planning a brutal car review that's definitely going to ruffle some fanboys. So, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. I will be back.